Good morning, children. I hope you people are safe at home. Let us revise the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Please keep the rough notebook and pencil for working. Using brackets. Use of brackets allows us to avoid confusion in the problems where we need to carry out more than one number of operation. First, turn everything inside the brackets into a single number and then do the operation outside. Means when we have two or more fundamental operations in the problems, we use bracket because it indicates us which operation should be performed first. To write the expression for each of the following using brackets. Here we have statements which are supposed to be changed into an expression. For example, 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. 4 multiplied by is 4 into. Sum of 9 and 2 is 9 plus 2. We keep 9 plus 2 within the bracket because here we have two operations into and plus. So we perform the addition first, that is 9 plus 2 is 11 and 11 should be multiplied by 4 which gives 44. Next we have divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. Means the difference of 18 and 6 should be divided by 4. Difference of 18 and 6 is 12. When we divide it by 4, we get 3. 44 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. Sum of 3 and 2 is 3 plus 2, where 3 times is 3 into. So the expression will be 45 divided by 3 into 3 plus 2. Then we have 45 divided by 3 into 5 because 3 plus 2 is 5, which is equal to 45 divided by 15, which can be further cancelled by 15 itself. So our final answer will be 3. Write 3 different situations for 5 plus 8 within the bracket into 6. Here we have an expression which has to be converted into situation. One such situation is Sohani and Rita works for 6 days. Sohani works 5 hours a day and Rita 8 hours a day. How many hours do both of them work in a week? This situation represents the above expression. In the same way, try for 3 more situations which we will discuss in the next schedule. Expanding brackets. Now, let us learn to use the bracket according to the situation. First we have 7 into 109. The first number is taken as it is, where 109 can be written as 100 plus 9. The next step, 7 into 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9 will be taken within the bracket. According to the distributive law, 7 will be multiplied with 100 and 9 separately, with the addition sign in between. By performing the operation within the bracket, we get 700 plus 63. The final sum is 763. You have one more problem to verify. Try this, children. Children, check with the key answers. 15 into 250. 15 into 250 can be written as 200 plus 50. 15 is multiplied with 250 separately with the plus sign in between. Simplifying the bracket, we get 3000 plus 750. The final sum will be 3750. Next we have 25 into 780. 25 into 780 can be written as 700 plus 80. Now 25 is multiplied with 700 and 80 separately with the plus sign in between. Solving the bracket, we get 17,500 plus 2000. The final sum will be 19,500. Then we have 14 into 430. 14 into 400 plus 30. 14 into 400 plus 14 into 30. After solving the bracket, we get 5600 plus 420. The final sum will be 6020. I hope you all have learned the concept clearly. With some more content, we will meet. Thank you.